Let's replace the front brakes on this 2021 Chevy Colorado. This particular model have the 02 package, meaning it has an off-road and the Z71. Here are the parts I'm gonna use. First, let's jam the rotor using a screwdriver, and we're gonna use our hammer to tap the rotor, around the rotor, to break the rust free off of it. And I'm gonna use a T30 socket to remove the rotor returning screw. Let's tap it in with the hammer, and let's break it free. Good. Now let's remove our caliper bolt. Those are 12 millimeter. Now we're going to pry the caliper off of the bracket, and we're going to compress it. And I will add those tools in the comment section below that I'm using. And we're going to compress it, push the pistons all the way in. And now we're going to hang our caliper with a bungee cord. We're going to wrap the bungee cord around the shock and the control arm. Let's remove our old brake pad. This vehicle had a pulsation at highway speed, and vehicle has 70,000 miles, and the rotor are on their way out. While we're there, let's inspect the push pins and the hardware. And we're gonna use our 80 millimeter to remove the caliper bracket bolt. Remove the old rotor. Very rusted. Trash. Now we're gonna clean the hub. We can use a wire brush like this, or I'm gonna use a cookie wheel. Make sure you wear eye protection if you were to use that tool. Much better. Now we're going to remove the old hardware. Make sure the new pad and rotors comes with them, because there are times you have to buy them separate. I'm gonna replace those because I do have them, obviously. And we're going to clean the caliper bracket while we're there using a wire brush. Good. And we're going to grease our slider pins. Those were in pretty good condition, but I'm gonna grease them anyway because I'm already in there. And make sure you pay attention on the orientation of those hardware, those clips, because they go in a certain way. The part that's sticking out always stick out on the outside, not on the inside. That little piece that's hanging on the outside edge, they always go on face the outside. Pretty much if they're facing away from the rotor. And now we're going to clean our new water with brake cleaner. You can use soap and water, it works just as well. And we're going to reinstall the water, and put our new the caliper bracket in, and install our new brake pad. Make sure you grease them before you put them on. There it is. Grease the edge of it. Make sure you pay attention because those clips are equipped with anti-drag clip. So make sure you put the pad over it. So it's gonna have it's going to push the pad away from the rotor when you're done using the brakes. That's a very good feature. So you don't so those brake pads don't wear prematurely. And now let's reinstall a caliper bracket, a caliper rather. And that will be it, guys. And that's it. It's pretty straightforward. Make sure you pump your brakes before you go for a test drive. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.